kids, their children.
Yeah. I did not give a verse to parents should not kill their children by giving the concepts of what they learn from their lives and experiences until unless they are aligned with Allah's ayats. Normally what happens that people like to enforce their children what they think that is right. I do not agree to that. We should always put the ayahs forward to the children, not forcing them to accept, but at least you say this is what the book says, this is what is universally right. Even in Canada, people will not like born in Canada, Canadians or Christians or Jews, they will not like gays, and they will not like. It's not that it has become a right; it's right. So wrong does not become right. So we should be not killing our children by enforcing our concepts to them.
No, it's about the relationship between a parent.
Yeah, parent-children. I'm talking about the relationship between the parent.
And sometimes a parent can blackmail their children too.
That's what I'm asking not to do so.
Yeah.
The Quran said, "Do not." That's a verse in the ayat that do not cover the people of the concepts of the mushriks. So the people who are associators, we believe that, and then we try to enforce the children to believe that. So I'm asking not to do so. So you can always refer to a verse or educate to an ayah. This is what the ayah says about anything. You are educating your children. But what we generally do, what we are born in a school of thought or a sect, we make sure that he becomes like that. So that is why the children react. Any children will react if there is no logic and reason to any environment. So it is better to educate. This is what the book says, and now it is up to you to accept or not. You leave it like that. So that is how the parents should go with the children, to educate their children in the matters of the Quranic ayats. That this is what the book says about relationship with the parents to the children. So the children are also asked to follow their parents. They cannot say oof to their parents, but they should educate them what the book says.